Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my channel friends. So today video title is guys how to off airplane mode. Friends, you want to off your aeroplane mode in your phone from phone settings. So guys, how can you off your aeroplane mode from your phone setting? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. First of all guys, we will have to on guys our phone setting to off airplane mode, and guys you can see this airplane icon on your screen, and guys you want to remove means guys you want to off this icon, you can off it. Then guys scroll and guys you can see connection and sharing option, friends tap here. Guys you can see your aeroplane mode, so as you can see right side this icon, guys tap here to off. So as your aeroplane mode will off, and guys you can see this icon has removed on your screen. So I hope friends you have understood how to off aeroplane mode in our oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on the next video guys with the topic. Bye bye friends.